the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? This song's not working, man. Friggin' work, man. Fuck.
Yeah. Loud. Shout out to my brother Wiz, man. I'm in this joint. Merry Christmas. I'm trying to break the bank. 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 Yeah, walk inside that bitch, 500K cash. Walk about that bitch, I need $1 million cash. I'm trying to break the bank. 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 Fuck you niggas stink. Pull up in that building, customize the paint. Lean in the same. I'm doing what you can't. Niggas say they getting money, but I know they ain't. Four up in the same, pulling up my drink. Came out the water with that 9 in your face. $50,000 made my lawyer beat the case. It ain't really nothing, shoot that nigga in his face. Bitches love the taste, niggas say a grace. Riding through the hood, Gucci on my shoelace. Bitch, I'm
holy shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay. It's a 210 motherfucking update, nigga. So you already know what it is. I'm tired of saying that stupid ass word. You already know what it is. You already know what it is, nigga. Okay. I know motherfucking episode 2 is taking a while, but I'm trying to do my best to make it as a blast as fucking how episode 1 is. As it. However, fuck, I'm out of breath, my nigga. How episode 1 was, so I'm trying to make that as blast as that. And if you ain't seen it, then I feel sorry for your ass because you missing out, my nigga. Yeah, so if you didn't see it, then you best go check it out. Yeah, I'm trying to make episode 2 a blast, and I ain't no quitter. I'm on my grind. I'm doing my shit, so I'm making sure I'm gonna be sending out massive fucking videos soon. So y'all best look out for Tune and do not sleep, because if you do sleep, I feel sorry for you, man. Because if you sleep, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know. If you sleep, then you sleep. Then you miss out. But it is what it is, son. I'ma be doing me. And there gonna be new videos coming your way. So you best be on the lookout for that. And you already know what it is. And I keep saying that shit. There needs to be a new word. You already slow. If you don't know. Peace out. Make sure you subscribe. And if you ain't even seen the fucking last video and the little school skit video that's there, you could go check that out. And the other videos before this one. So, peace. Zotai.